Great Success TV, a place where great minds are made. Don't fail to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified each time we upload a Great Success
In today's video, you will learn how to control your thoughts. According to Buddha, we are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. When the mind is pure, joy follows like a shadow that never leaves. Our mind is the most powerful tool we receive from our Creator for the creation of good in our life. But if not used correctly, can also be the most destructive force in our life. To control our thoughts means to influence the way we think. Our thoughts affect our perception and our interpretation of reality. When you change your thoughts, you will change your feelings as well, because you will eliminate negative emotions that trigger bad experiences. Choose to be the person you want by consciously thinking your thoughts and become someone who can control his or her thoughts. Become the master of your mind. Before you can become the master of your mind, you must put your thoughts under control. In this video, we will discuss the two methods that can help you to put your thoughts under control. They are thought replacement and self-distraction. Number 1, thought replacement and elimination. There are times, no matter what we do, we end up thinking negative thoughts that lead us to question ourselves. When this happens, we end up wondering why everything that happens to us seems to be bad and nothing good ever comes or occurs to us. Changing your perspective and manner of thinking will put you in a position to realize your full potential and break the barriers that put you down. Instead of thinking about negative things, what you can do is change your perspective and allow positivity to flow into your subconscious mind. You can change your perspective by replacing negative thoughts with positive ones, so as to experience things in a different light and appreciate the way that life treats you every day. Begin each day with the intention of paying attention to your thoughts and catch yourself if you are thinking undesirable thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking something negative about yourself, stop and replace them with positive imaginations that support, encourage, and enhance your life. Thus, replacing negative thoughts with positive ones is something you must learn to do if you must control the way you think. To remove unwanted thoughts from your mind, the best way to do this is to infuse positive thoughts into your mind to be able to send out negative thoughts from your subconscious mind as soon as possible. Whenever you are having a negative thought, deliberately think something else. Once you understand how to control your mind from unwanted thoughts, your feelings and life experience will be better. Number 2, distract yourself. Sometimes the best way to stop thinking about something is to do something physical to distract yourself. This can include physical exercises, playing an instrument, playing games, or dancing. Occupying your thoughts with activities may distract your mind from constantly thinking about something that is bothering you. It can distract you from thinking about the negative experience you had. The mind, body, and spirit are all connected. Doing something physical with your body that is enjoyable may take your mind away from the thoughts you don't want to think about. To this end, your mind is a tool, and like any other tool, it can be used for constructive or destructive purposes. You can allow your mind to be occupied by unwanted, undesirable, and destructive tenants, or You can choose desirable tenants like peace, gratitude, compassion, love, and joy. Your mind can become your best friend, your biggest supporter, and someone you can count on to be there and encourage you. The choice is yours.